J-Ira, cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me, and we don't give a dang about nobody, cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me, and we don't give a dang about nobody, well, had him shooting for me like a ball team. Every guy was a knockout, Don King, but none of them had smarts. That's my thing. It's not enough to have balls. Spalding.
Happy birthday, Gerald. Parang bola na to. Padumi. Yes.
He said, "Excuse me, beautiful." And then he asked me, "Hey,
Ang birthday ni Gerald. Birthday ni Gerald. Batiin mo siya. Si Gerald. Gerald ni Dario. Pamsi.
Ay, hindi. Naku, happy birthday sa mga bebe ko sa Gilas. Happy birthday, Gerald. And I hope na maging happy family birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Gerald, happy birthday, Gogi. Salamat sa kapakabay mo kaibigan. Lagi tayo mag-a-activity siya. Galingan mo, maghala.
Pare, birthday ni Gerald yun.
Pare lang.
Birthday ni Gerald yun.
Birthday ni Gerald ngayon.
Okay.
Ang Gerald, happy birthday sa'yo, idol ko. Alam mo na tayo magkakapatid lang sa room. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday, matanda ka na pare.
Oh, Gerald! Birthday mo daw. 22 ka na. So, I'm wishing you a 22 years of happiness and maturity. Alam mo naman, paminsan-minsan gagamitin mo ang CS para hindi eng-eng-eng. So, medyo tumatanda ka na. So, yun lang ang wish ko at huwag mo kalimutang magdasalagi at magsimba at yun naman lagi namin sinasabi sa'yo. Always wear your smile kahit sa kamapunta, ha? At kahit pa paano yung makabawas-bawas sa bigat ng mundo, ha? Okay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Birthday, pre! Love you, buddy! Love you,
Gerald, ano birthday mo eh? Bakit binabato mo ko ng bola? Pasasabi ko lang sa'yo, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Mama, chut. Ha? Alam mo yun eh. Ha? Sabi sa'yo, amoy lang eh. Happy birthday eh. Ano ba no? Ano na ako? Sadasal pa ako free. Ha? Okay lang? Happy birthdays to come. And more godless powers to you. More birthday. And God bless you. Always you, mwah, shoop. Ha? Happy birthday.
Surprise! A year ago, nag-celebrate ka ng 21st birthday mo. Ngayon, 22 ka na. Ano po ba ang sasabihin mo? Sabi ko lang, focus para matapos na tayo. Para maging maganda yung future. Happy birthday, anak. Alam mo kung ano yung nasa puso ko. Hindi ko lang kailangan paulit-ulitin yun. Happy birthday. I love you, son. Mama.
Nico, Mr. MVP, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sa'yo, sana matapos ka ng pag-aaral mo dahil yun lang naman ang gusto namin ng mga mo. Maayos yung buhay mo. Ayun lang, sana pagbutihin mo. Pag-aaral mo sa school mo. Okay ka naman, the best ka. Sa volleyball, okay rin. Yung mga malaking kapit. Number 1 fan mo ako. all the best. Happy birthday, Nico. I love you.
Gerald, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
There's no way to
Happy birthday, Gerald.
Hello, happy birthday, Gerald. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gerald! Tatapos tayo sa lagi para natuwan tayo para. Happy birthday, Gerald!
Hi Gerald, happy birthday and wish you more blessings to come to your endeavors in life, to your love life, siyempre. Good luck sa inyo ni Pao. Sige, happy birthday again.
Gerald, si Matic to, happy birthday nga pala. Wish ko lang matupad yung mga kailangan mo. Nasa iyo naman ang lahat mabait na girlfriend, lahat. Sana matupad lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. Yun lang pare, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gerald! Hey, Gerald! Makakait na kita! Bakit na siya? Makakait ka.
Hoy, Gerald. Kaibigan ng kaibigan. Birthday mo pala. Happy birthday.
Hello Kuya Jay, ang swerte ko kay Ate Pao. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Gerald!
Hey, it's you. Happy birthday. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's you. Happy birthday. It's okay.
Gerald, happy birthday. Hello. Ikaw, happy birthday. Effort pa ako dito. Isang linggo pa ako dito sa Pao na happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gerald.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa nag-iisang pogi ng CBA. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tito Gerald!
Hi, Gerald. Happy birthday, pare.
Happy birthday, Gerald! Happy birthday, Gerald! Sana matagal kayo yung paulitin. Tsura mo, happy birthday ulit! Happy birthday, Kuya!
Happy birthday, Gerald! Alam mo, pogi ka? Pero mas pogi kami!
Happy birthday, Pogi.
Happy birthday, Gerald! Waka chop chop!
Happy birthday, Gerald!
Happy birthday, Gerald! Hindi mo wala akong maisip. Pero yun, magpakamacho ka pa kayo. Magpakamacho ka pa lang. Happy birthday! Yung handa mo pagtabi mo ko, wala akong sama.
Happy birthday, Gerald! Happy birthday, Pogi!
Hi, Gerald. Happy birthday sa'yo. I'm so happy that God gave you that precious gift called life. And I am happier to know that you are sharing also that gift called life sa mga tao mahal mo at sa mga tao na kailangan sa'yo. I do hope that you will keep on sharing your life to others. Lalo na naging bahagi din ako ng buhay mo. Maraming salamat. At I do hope that marami pang mga tao ang mapag-servan mo. At especially ang family mo, patuloy mong mahalin. Yung mga nagmamahal sa iyo, patuloy mong mahalin. Most especially God bless Gerald, and praying for more birthdays and blessings to come. God bless you.
Even get in here. Do you see her? She's so short and that dress is so tacky. Who wears cheetah? It's not even summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After we get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need good one. But first, let me take a selfie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Fat Rick!
Happy birthday, Miko. At syempre pa, wish you all the best. God bless always. At alam kong ikaw ang pinaka panganay sa inyong magkakapatid. Sunod si Jeric, sunod si Jella. At alam ko naman na you're the eldest and Jella is the you're the oldest and Jella is the eldest and Jeric is the gitnayes. At alam ko na mahal ka ni papa mo tsaka ni mama mo. At ang pinaka-paborito mong sports ay volleyball. Ituloy mo lang yan sa bawat paghampas mo ng bola sa volleyball. Iyan ay katunayan na yan ang pinaka darating na mga swerte sa buhay mo. Ang bawat hagupit ng pagpalo ng iyong mga palad sa bola ay makakatulong yan sa pagtuhog mo ng fishball sa gitna ng kumukulong mantika. Sa tabi nun merong kikiam, merong squid ball, merong hotdog, pero mas gusto mo ang fish balls dahil ang fish balls ay dahil may fish. Happy birthday ulit. At dahil birthday mo, meron ako sa yung regalo. Eto, dali, kantahan mo si Kuya Miko, dali. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. 100 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. At hindi lang yan, in-invite ko siyempre para pasahin ng birthday mo mula sa ibang bansa pa, NBA player ang nagretiro, Michael Jordan. Happy birthday, Miko!